11, dribble the ball. Basta number 9 for 2 points by jersey number 31. Basta number 30, dribble the ball. Basta number 11 attempts for 2 points, basket. Number 30, dribble the ball. Steal by number 11 for 2. Not good. Rebound number 25, dribble the ball. Number 25. Umatake sa tinasa, number 21. Basket. 2 points. Aura. That's number 11, dribble the ball. Looking for set. Pass. For 3 points, not good, but there is number 18 to shoot the ball. Number 21. Pass on number 18. Number 18, dribble the ball. Nabuyan. Inasaan number 21. Shot clock 10. Out of bounds. For 3 points, not good. Rebounded number 9, dribble the ball, number 9 for 2 points, not good. Rebounded by Landau, jersey number 30, dribble the ball. Shot clock 15. 2 points. By jersey number 30. Basta number 9, dribble the ball. Basta number 31, umatake sa das. Not good, but there is number 88 again to save the ball. Number 18, dribble the ball. Number 18, nabuyan ang bola. Still by number 9, Basta number 31 for 2. Foul. By jersey number 2. Second, personal foul. Basket. 7 minutes and 55 seconds remaining time. Not good. Good about the number 25. Number 25 for number 2. For 2. Inasa. Out of bounds. Number 11, dribble the ball.
Ayaw na.
Ano ayaw na? Number 11. Shot clock 15. Inasa number 31. Basket. 2 points. Number 21, dribble the ball. Defended by number 31. Foul. Number 31. First personal foul. Number 2, pass to number 30. Dribble the ball. Inasa. Number 8. Inasa again.
Shot clock 5.
Shot clock 5, 4, 3 points. By jersey number 8. Sentino. Number 11 with ball. Tumira, 2 points. Number 30, dribble the ball. Number 30, nabuyan ang bola na agaw, pero ila Japon. Number 18, attempted for 3 points again. Not good about it. Number 11, pass to number 9. Pinungguan, tumira, basket. 6 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time. Shot clock 15. Not good. Rebound by number 31. As of number 11, dribble the ball. Number 11, foul by jersey number 80. First personal foul. That's the number 11. Oh, that's the number 31. 2 points. Number 30. Sa number 21. Nag-fake. Umatake sa dos. Iya Japon. Tumira wala. Rebounded by number 11. Number 11. Sa number 9. Foul. Jersey number 2. Third personal foul. Time out tayo. Shot. Time out.
So, ano ka na dun eh? Ito na daw? Diyan sa ligbat ka lang ron.
16 na. Walang tawa lang da.
Last no short number 9. I'm out. Pass na number 30. Pass na number 21. Number 21, Nagtiyog. Stepping. Pass na number 88. Number 11. Out of bounds. That's number 30. Oh, dribble the ball. Steal again by number 31. Number 9 for check. Not good. Rebound by number 25. Number 25 dribble the ball. Number 25 in offensive foul. Number 25. Number 11 dribble the ball. Nasa Omira basket. Number 30 dribble the ball. 4 minutes remaining time. Number 25 umatake sa toss. Not good. Lumalabit number 4. Pass number 9. Pass number 11. Pass number 88. Basket. 2 points. Number 18 dribble the ball. Pass number 30. Shot clock 12. Not good. Lumalabit number 9 and number 11 dribble the ball. For 2. Basket. 2 points. Number 21, dribble the ball, number 21. Still by number. Stepping. Substitution.
Gaguhin mo yun. Huwag dyan. Oh?
Shot clock 10. 21 for 3 points. 2 points. Jersey number 21. Number 11 dribble the ball. Not good. Number 2 dribble the ball. Number 2 nagmamadali for 2 points. Basket. 2 points. Jersey number 2. Number 6 dribble the ball. Pass to number 11. 15 shot clock. 10 shot clock. Not good. Trabaho may number 18. Number 18 dribble the ball. Pagi sa likod. Pingit ang masahan. Pinasa. Waras sa number 9. Number 9 dribble the ball. Number 9. Foul. Penalty.
18 seconds per stop. Ikaw?
Not good. Trabaho may number 25. Number 25 dribble the ball. Foul. Here's the number 32. Suspended. First personal foul. Basta number 18. Dribble the ball. Shot clock 15. Still by number 6. Still by number 18. Nabuyan. Out of bounds. Team, never mind ball.
Huwag ito isa na likod.
Number 11. Basta number 32. Back to number 11. Shot clock 6. Still by number 2. Dribble the ball. Number 2. Look down for 2. Foul. Number 6. Second personal foul. 1 minute remaining time. At good.
Aba, sa mare mo.
Wala isko ko lang. Wala isko ka. Restart.
2 points. Right, jersey number 9. 50 seconds remaining time. Still by number 6. Number 6 dribble the ball. In aside number 9 for 2. Basket. 40 seconds remaining time. Still again by number 4. Number 4 umatake sa dos. Not good. Rebound by number 18. Number 18 dribble the ball. Number 18. 25 seconds. 2 points. By jersey number 21. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. Countdown to 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 seconds violation. 2 seconds remaining time. 2, 1. End of the second quarter.